A unique 4-axis stabilized full-frame 8K ready Ronin 4D-8K is now available for shipping along with the 6K Ronin 4D-6K. A unique modular setup with a sensor and mount bolted on 4-axis gimbal that itself attached to a cinema camera housing with all the bells and whistles and external monitor, wireless transmitter and storage unit. The 8K sensor is a 35mm full-frame image sensor with 14.7 stops of dynamic range with two dual native ISO models, the base 320-1600 ISO and the range expansion up to 800 by 4000 ISO. The sensor sits behind a customizable lens mount. You can choose between DJI's own DL mount or go for Panasonic's L mount, Leica's M mount, Sony's E mount or PL mount. There is 9 built-in ND filters as well. The 8K sensor can record 4K up to 120 frames per second at 17:9 ratio or 8K at 75 frames per second in its internal RAW format. The Ronin 4D 8K combo includes the Ronin 4D body, a Zenmuse X9 8K gimbal camera, a DJI DL PZ 17-28mm lens, a 1TB SSD and a USB-C cable, and the price is around €12,758.